Hello everyone, this is Angela from Beijing Language and Culture University. I believe as long as you have studied some Chinese, you will definitely know some simple Chinese telephone expressions. For example, 喂，请问 Angela 在吗? Hello, I would like to speak to Angela. But do you know how to politely hang up the phone? What to say in Chinese before end a phone call? Let's learn 5 useful phrases today. First one, 那先这样. This is the most common phrase Chinese people used to end a conversation, meaning that is the end of our discussion for right now. There are also some other similar sentences that you can use before saying goodbye. 那先这样，那就这样。那就这样吧. You can translate them to that's alright or alright, that's all for now. 好，那就这样，明天见. Okay, alright, see you tomorrow. Number 2, 我挂了啊. Chinese people usually think it is polite to let the other party hang up the phone first when ending a call.So if you have to finish the call with your friend and you don't want to be rude, you can just say this, 我挂了啊, or just say, 挂了啊. The word 挂 is from 挂电话, which means to hang up the phone. I know it sounds a bit rude to say I will hang up the phone in English, but in Chinese there is no such meaning at all. It's a very common and polite way to end a call between friends. This can also be used together with the first phrase we learned today. So, for example, 好，那就这样，挂了，拜拜。Okay, alright, I will hang up first. Bye. Number 3, 那不打扰您了 or 不耽误您时间了. If you are making a formal work call and want to end the call, you can say this. 打扰 means to disturb or to trouble someone. 不打扰您了 means I'm sorry for disturbing you with my call. I'm going to end it now. Thanks for your time. 耽误 means to delay or to waste time. 不耽误您时间了. I won't take up any more of your time. Thanks for your time. Both of the two sayings are very polite and usually used for unfamiliar people or in a more formal occasion. For example, 好的，王经理，我知道了，谢谢您，那不打扰您了，再见。Okay, Manager Wang, I got it. Thank you very much. Thanks for your time. Goodbye. Number 4, 您先忙. This sentence is more oral than the two previous sayings, but has the same meaning. It is a polite way to end a call. It is usually used in business situations or when calling someone of higher status. 忙 means busy. 您先忙 it means I know you are very busy at work. I will leave you to your work. It can be used together with the two previous sentences. For example, 好的，王经理，我知道了，谢谢您。那您先忙，我不耽误您时间了。再见。Okay, Manager Wang, I got it. Thank you very much. I know you must be very busy. Thanks for your time. Goodbye. Number 5, 回头微信联系. If you end the current topic on the phone, there may be another thing to follow up in the future. Maybe you need to send something by WeChat or email to the person you're talking to on the phone. You can use this saying, 回头微信联系. 回头 is an oral way to say later. 回头微信联系 means I will keep in touch via WeChat later. If you wish to maintain email contact with him or call him again in the future, you can also say 回头邮件联系. or 回头电话联系。For example, 李先生，谢谢您，不耽误您时间了，我们回头微信联系。Mr. Li, thank you for your time. Let's keep in touch via WeChat. Alright, that's all for the 5 new phrases today. Did you remember all of them? If you don't remember, it's fine. You just need to remember this rule. Don't hang up the phone first if you would like to be more polite. Because in Chinese culture, older or higher status individuals should hang up the phone first. You will hear Chinese people, especially businessmen, do this at the end of a phone call. 好的，好的，谢谢，谢谢，谢谢。好，再见，再见，再见，好的，好的，再见，再见。This endless goodbye will make him appear more humble. So of course, if you are the older party, politely saying goodbye after ending the conversation and hanging up the phone first is also a good way to avoid embarrassing situation like this. OK, 那今天就这样，不耽误你们的时间了。Alright, thank you for your time. If you want to learn Chinese online systematically with us, you can visit our website www.eblcu.com for more information. Thanks for listening. Bye guys.